Hi, Kindergarten Penguins, it's Mrs. Comer, and I'm here today to work with you on your sight words. So the first thing in this first video is kind of preparing us to get our sight words in organized piles that'll allow us to help when we are learning more and more games. We're gonna go through all the sight words we've learned thus far. If you already have your penguin cards that we sent out in the beginning of the year, you can take this time to organize your penguin cards, and as we go along, instead of making them, you're more than welcome to find those sight words and add them into your bags, just like we're doing by writing them. So the materials you need today are markers of any color, scissors, a piece of paper, and 2 Ziploc baggies. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make up lots of cards for you to write your sight words on. So the first thing you're going to do is take your piece of paper, you're going to fold it in half, like a hamburger fold. Then you're going to fold it again, so it's in nice fourths. So after you do that, you're going to take the time to cut your paper. So now you have 4 nice pieces. You're gonna have to do this a lot because we have a lot of sight words that we've learned so far. So please take the time to pause this video and make up some of your cards so that when we start again, you'll be ready to write those sight words. So what I want you to do right now is to pause that video, take that paper, fold it up, cut it, and to make yourself into nice cards. You're gonna need a lot because we've learned a lot of kindergarten sight words. Okay, now that you're back and you have all your materials gathered, we're ready to get started. So today we're going to organize our sight words into first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and finally fourth quarter. So what we're going to do today is to go over each set of sight words, and as we do, we're going to continue to write them. So at the end, you'll have all 63 of our sight words ready to use at home as we move forward into some fun games Ms. Comer has developed for us. So the first ones that we're going to go over are first quarter. So let's go over them together. I, at, can, see, we, will, a, you, me, the, and, yes, no, play, read, and go, and finally, am. So these are the first quarter sight words. These are probably very familiar to us. So what we're going to get ready to do is we are going to write our sight words. Ms. Comer chose purple for this one, but you can choose any color. All right, our first sight word is, go ahead and tell me, guys, I. Let's do it together. I says I, and the word is I. Okay, we're going to put our sight words in a nice, neat pile so that we have them when we are finished. At. A, T, and the word is at. Can. C, A, N, and the word is can. C, S, E, E, and our word is see. We, W, E, and our word is we. Will, W, I, L, L, and the word is will. A says A, and the word is a. U, Y-O-U, and the word is you. me. M-E, and the word is me. If Miss Comer's going too fast, or if you'd like to say them along with me to help you remember them, that would be great. T-H-E, and the word is the. A-N-D, and the word is and. Y-E-S, and the word is yes. N-O, and our word is no. P-L-A-Y, and the word is play. R-E-A-D, and our word is read. I hope you guys are doing lots of that while we're away. This is a fun one. G-O, and our word is go. A-M, and our word is am. That's it, kindergarten. So you got done our first quarter words. So now what I want you to do with these brand new words is now I want to challenge you. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to a grown-up or a brother or sister that might be older. You're going to take your sight words. You're going to take your two baggies, okay? And you're going to ask them to quiz you and say, what word is this? And if you're able to tell them, then it goes in the pile of, I know. If you don't know this word, or if you don't know a word, then you are going to put it in the, I have to still work on these. So at the end of this video, you will have your first quarter words organized into the ones that you know and the ones that you still need to learn. Now, we've learned these words back in September, so most of them are very familiar to you. But if there's one or two that you still need to work on, that's okay. Just take the time now to pause the video and have a grown-up or a big brother or sister help you organize your cards into the ones that you know and the ones that you're still working on.